Hello, and we are back with another video. This is our second installment of 6 Under 6. So today we're going to be using 5 different items. We're going to use the water, the vase, we're going to be using matches, loose flower leaves, and a floating candle. If you notice in this one, the floating candle is smaller than the last video, so we will link all the information below. Okay, so first we're going to start off with the rose petals. Ty's going to take the rose petals and place them into the empty vase. After she has filled the vase up with the rose petals, then she's going to take water and fill up the vase with water. Again, she's going to fill it up enough that where the leaves are floating, but not too much to where the candle can float inside the vase. So she has the vase filled up with water. Now she's going to place the candle on top of the flowers. And she's going to go ahead and light the match. So if you look at the centerpiece from the front, you can see all the flowers floating, and then if you go to the top is where you can see the actual candle being lit. This is a very affordable and easy centerpiece. Like I said, you can use them on your cocktail tables, in the middle of a long rectangle, and even a head table. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until the next installment, I'll see you guys later.